What's up, guys? And I think it's afternoon. I don't know. I've been driving around and stopped here and stopped there and got my car washed because, man, it was trash and it was dirty. I am up here right now, guys. This is new coming to Angeles City. I just stopped in here. Let me show you. Big signs here. First of all, let me show you where I'm at. Right here, you're coming down out of Angeles City, down Danguico. You go down like you're coming to Marquee Mall, come into the S-turn here, swing out this way, and Marquee Mall is down there. Straight ahead, over here is the Infinity. I'm gonna take a walk over there too. But guys, check this out. This is new coming here. I was told it'd be open in the fourth quarter, so you're looking at September, October, November, December sometime. Check this out, guys. Check it out. Bam! Landers Superstore. Right now they're doing a 50% off a membership sign up today. I just finished that up. 50% off. It's 800 pesos to join. Okay, so now you're getting at 400 pesos, right? If you're a business, bring your business card in. Businesses, or bring your business permit. Business permit is 1,050% off at 500 pesos right now. The difference is if you have a business permit, allows you up to 4 more people on your card. With just me getting a regular Joe Blow card, I can put one other person on. But right now, there it is. You walk in, super nice people, very friendly, very helpful. You walk into the little trailer right here. Here's a little trailer. Walk in here, they got a door in there, they got staff in there to help you. Only problem is parking. I just kind of parked across the street, whatever. Security guard seen it, he didn't say anything. So you walk into the trailer, there's a couple seats there. They're very friendly. Like I said, I want to sign up. They said something about a QR code, scan a QR code. I'm like, I don't know how to do that. So the girl there was very friendly. She scanned a QR code, brought up the application. She used her phone to fill everything out. You know, your name, your address, when you were born, married, male, whatever. She did everything for me, and boom, paid them 400 pesos, $8, whatever, and I got my card. Like I said, they said in the fourth quarter. So good for them. It's just something new here that's coming up. I think they just broke ground recently because you don't even see the structure of the building coming up. But there it is, guys. If you're here in Angeles City, get down here, get that deal. She said it's ongoing. When they're going to stop that, I don't know. But right now it's 50% off. So anyways, I'm going to head over here to the Infinity because there's a lot going on over at the Infinity also. A lot of things have popped up. Hello. Reminds me of when I see somebody on a bike like that, reminds me of, I remember Dorothy and the Wicked Witch. I'm not saying she's a wicked witch, that woman. It just all right, guys, let's head over across the street. All right, guys, so I've wandered across the street here. A lot is going on. A lot is being built up around this area. So if you do come and you're looking for somewhere else, or you live here, you're looking for somewhere else to dine, something different, check this out. Well, like I said, here I am, the beginning of the S-turn. Right over there is that where I just came from, Landers. All right, Fusion gas station here on the right as you're coming down, 7-Eleven. So here we are, we're at the Shoppers. If you live here, I'm going to give you a little tip. Instead of going down around the mall into the turn down there, everybody cuts through here. It's like a cut through that comes through here, goes down by Barangay Hall and out that way. So you can cut that whole entire area. Anyways, this appears to be a new place that's going up. What's up, buddy? Coming soon. This is what I wanted to check out right here. Authentic shawarma. Now there's somebody in there, but it says they were closed. Sorry, we're closed. There it is. Why don't you check this place out? See how good their shawarma is. This place, these are fairly new. Gabby's Chicken in the South. It's nice here. They got downstairs and upstairs dining. They're open. Gabby's Chicken in the Sal. Then you got this place here on the right. These are all fairly new right here. Now I have driven through here in the evening, and a lot of these are open. Maybe the shawarma joint is open later on in the evening. You got Remain Laksa Ho, Asian Noodle Bar. Like I said, you look up top and you can sit up top if you want, or you can sit inside. Then you got Bungus Lifestyle Coffee, all day breakfast and beer. Well, I can't believe it's all day because it says closed on their door. And they're up and running. At least I thought I had seen them up and running in the evening. And guys, here's what's nice. You don't have to fight to find anywhere to park. They got this parking right here. Big, huge parking lot, free of charge. Doesn't cost you a penny. All that parking in through there. Security guard as you come in. What's up, buddy? He'll watch you. You'll watch the cars when you park here, right? He's got that covered. Throw him a little bit of tip and he's good to go, right? All right, my man.
Can I give you some
what do you got there?
5% discount.
Where's that at? 5% discount. Okay. Where's it at? Over here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Side of the griller.
Okay, I'll check it out. I'll check it out. Thank you. 5% off of one of these restaurants. I'll take a stroll over there. This might not be thrilling for some people. And they even have handicap parking. Here's a smoking area. Pleasure Hangout. What the heck? Yeah, smoking area here. It says Pleasure Hangout. Huh, interesting. Come in here with your trike, your motorbike. They got parking here. This is a big, huge parking lot. Right here, what's this called? Here's your exit. I always drive through, but I never really like say, hey, let me go check this place out, or hey, I don't really pay attention when I'm coming through here. I just drive, you know. No My, whatever that is. No My, N-O-M-I, No My. It says have a rice day. Black Crust Pizza Company, okay. Park and dine. This is a big pizza place once again up top. They're sitting up there. So if you want to sit, you can sit up top. It says closed. Sorry, we're closed. Como Avenue and Atlantic Drive. Sorry guys. More stuff is going in there straight ahead. At one point there used to be an amusement park. Me, Hannah Grace, and Lut went to the amusement park like 3 days before lockdown. So I think we were one of the last peoples ever to go into that amusement park, but that is gone, never to return. All right, I'm good. I'll be there. I just spoke to the guard. He said a lot of these places here that I just walked by, they don't open until 12, and I will definitely be there at 12 to check out the shawarma. But you can see it. This K King Resto and KTV, I thought it was all you could eat. Unlimited Sam Gibson with chicken wings. We ate there. Lut and I ate there one time, and I could tell you a story about that. We ate there one time. Let's just take a walk around here. You got Griller's Hub. They seem to be all Filipino dishes. I mean, they do have a good looking cheeseburger. You know, they show a good, I gotta talk over the music. Looks like they have a killer looking cheeseburger there, right? But to me, guys, that's clickbait. People talk about clickbait. That's the way it rolls. Clickbait. You check out the commercials on TV for the delicious, juicy, the juices running out of the burgers from McDonald's and all them. And when you get there, guess what? It's not like that, is it? Is that clickbait? Anyways, Another thing, CRs. They do have CRs here that are very clean. I was in them. There's a female CR. There's a male CR. Comfort room, guys. And they do keep them clean. So I'm going to shoot around the front here. Sam G Plus. Another restaurant. Yep, another restaurant. There's just so much to choose from here. As far as food and different areas. What else we got here? Dampa Express. The thing is, yes, it's noontime, so it's not that full. This place does get full in the evenings. Like I said, I've driven through here in the evening, and they do get full. Right down there on the left is Crabs and Crack. So if you want some crabs and you want some crack, head there, right? Trying to get away from the music because they play a lot, you know, open music for everybody. There's an IKEA collection point. Interesting. Huh, IKEA. Baby mama. Hi, Kuya. Baby mama, baby stuff, right? All right, guys, so I was stopped by security. Where's your work permit? Like, what? Sir, you need a work permit to vlog in here. Yeah, I could have been like, all right, well, screw it. I'll just leave, no big deal. But I'm like, you know what? Let me see what this involves. Let me talk to them, see what I need to do to get basically a work permit to vlog in the area. So I came across the street. Everybody was friendly over here. Security people were friendly. I had to go up into a big big group meeting room. Only one guy came in, asked me what I was doing. I explained it to him. He said, yeah, he goes, you guys, now you need a work permit to just vlog over there. He said, what happens is they have people just show up and they want to set up like a Zumba class. He goes, people just show up and, you know, they just want to do whatever. And, well, we can't have that happen. So like I said, staff very, very friendly up there where I just came from. Got my work permit. Right here's my work permit. It allows me to go over there today, July 18th, from July 18th to July 18th, one day. So when I walk over here, I will show them my work permit and I will be good to go. That's the first time something like this ever happened. Like I said, I could have been, screw it, no big deal. See you later. But it's like, nah, let me go see what this is gonna all involve. You know, because sometimes when you hear oh, you got to go talk to our marketing people, then you talk to the marketing people, and I've found out mostly 100% of the time, the marketing people never get back to you. But this was simple. This was easy. So here we are. And I seen like a huge plan of what they plan and how they plan to develop this whole area through here. It is going to be impressive over the next year or two. Super impressive. So now we're back. I got my paper, so they can't yell at me. Hello. So they can't yell at me. I got my work permit. Security guy, they're just doing their job. So anyways, here we go. Here's where we let off. The baby mama. No need for me to go in there. But yeah, I think it's I kind of laughed when he said, yeah, they'll come in and they'll set up shop and try to do Zumba here. And he goes, they have to get permits and they got to pay. Now they didn't ask me to pay anything for my permit. There's a bike place, a bike Zilla. So if you're into biking, a lot of people are into biking. You see a lot of people up on Clark riding bikes. They made it really nice up there, bike trails and everything up there. Really nice. But you can see how they keep it really nice here, real clean here. Everything's manicured, very nice. Landscape's very nice. There's security guards, they're looking at me, but I got them. Here's your crabs and crack. Crabs and crack. Here's a little mascot. Do it right here. There you go. Maybe I can give crabs and crack a nipple tweak. Here we go. That's for my my nipple tweaking guy. I just nipple tweak the crabs and cracks mascot. Security's looking at me like I'm bull. Check this out. I mean, big top here. Lights up top. They have some seating in. Out here, I almost fell, missed a step. See, now people are starting to show up. All right, guys, I ran into one of my subscribers. Well, her husband is back in the States. She says he's from Boston, and I said, you want to give a shout out? So here's your shout out.
Hello! Shout out. Shout out to Mr. Rodney Gerber. We are here, and we met Mr. Philip.
And you miss him, right?
Yeah, I will miss you.
Get here now, right?
I miss you so much.
All right, thank you, girls.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Oh, that's cool. Let's see what's over here. They got Jay's Waffle House. I gotta say, guys, I love talking to subscribers, people that subscribe, people that know me, see me on the streets here and there. Like I said, we are not, some people say, you know, oh, you're superstars. At least I don't feel I'm a superstar. That's not my thing. We're just people like everybody else. We just happen to pick up a camera, start a YouTube channel, and show you around the Philippines. Just normal people like everybody else. Here's my animal hospital right here. That's where we take the dogs and the cat. That's our pet joint right there. They do hair cutting in there. They do shots in there. They will do spade and neuter in there. They do it all in there. You got CSA Medical. I don't know what that is. Medical. Something to do with medical. Facial services. Slimming services. Do they do nose lifts? Wow, they do it all here. Laser services. You want a breast implant? They'll do it there, I would imagine. All right, now we're just coming around to the back side here. Just kind of show you. I mean, it's really nice, huh? Like clean. That's what impresses me. They have people that walk around and clean while, you know, it's not. Let's put it this way: there's no ground. If there is, it's very minimal ground decoration through here. So, hello.
Hi.
What do we have here? Lifestyle center. Gotta get away from the music. Always music. So there it is. There's my kind of walk around. I got my permit, my work permit. I'm good to go for one day. Like I said, they were all super friendly, all super helpful, all nice. No need to get mad. No need to scream and holler. How dare you tell me I can't vlog here? It's not. Why? Right. Champ's Burger Steak Shakes. I don't know if that's gone. I don't know. So, anyways, guys, there it is. There's my walk. There's my walk. I'm going up to the shawarma place. I'm going to see how good this shawarma is. See if there's no follow-up after this, that means it's not the kind of shawarma I like. I like it cut off the grill. I like it cut off, diced up. I don't like that meat burger stuff. That's, to me, that's not authentic. That's just me. So, all right, guys. So if this video continues, you'll know it was a decent place and what I liked. Because I don't like it. Remember, guys, just because I don't like something, it doesn't mean you might like it or not like it. My taste buds are different than your taste buds. Remember, guys, don't forget to tip your security guy, your parking attendant guy. There he is. Can I go that way, Koya?
Yeah.
All right.
Go away.
Don't forget to tip him. Here you go, buddy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
Jigger.
Yeah.